Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so this is Luard Street, and this is part of Wanchai. So I'm just gonna kind of go through this real quick. We would walk, just kind of walk through. So this has some live music, but there's nothing happening right now. A few people in there. Over there, there's pizza, kebabs, and we're just gonna walk up the street a little bit. The lighting here is pretty fantastic. This is Luard Road. Low traffic, so it's gonna kind of sneak across. And we're just gonna keep going down Luard Road. So Luard Road. Okay. Looks like another Muay Thai gym. There's a few of them here in Hong Kong. And we're back at Hennessy Road. So if you're following the video, I was just here just a little bit ago. Somebody with a wheelbarrow. Dirty wheelbarrow. Looked like it still had cement in it. Okay, so we're walking across Luard Road. I'm just gonna go a little further. So actually that's the end of Luard Road. So I think I'm gonna capture it right there. What we're gonna do is I'll just show you this park. And we'd probably try to go around the park and try to end up over that way. So Luard Road has some sporting stuff. And lots of people hanging out on a Sunday. So we're just gonna walk through this. Kind of interesting. So there's not much happening on the field. So basketball way over there. Some kids are playing here. Looks like they had some event. And then over here is all the domestic uppers on a day off. So I think they have more cameras than I do. Then so we'll just walk through this and we'll go to the other side and you can see what the other side looks like as well. Musicians, poinsettias, that's the street. So, okay. It's gonna keep going through. I could go through there. I'm gonna go down to the end, which is right here and around. So, okay. So we basically followed Luard Road, but I went a little detour. And I think that detour is probably worth it. This is probably a more interesting one anyways. And then this place called The Pond. Looks like a pretty cool building. Looks like you can sit outside and enjoy the evening overlooking Wanchai. So we'll close right there from Luard Road.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.